This video shows how to do the commissioning of CMMT-ST Festo controller. Learn how to connect the hardware in this video. Connecting hardware. Connect the hardware with the appropriate cables as shown. PC to CMMT-ST-X18 port via network cable. Safety module to CMMT-ST-X1A connector via cables. Higher order controller IOs to CMMT-ST-X1A connector via cables. Motor encoder to CMMT-ST-X2 port via motor cable. If an absolute encoder with BIS-SC protocol is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. If a motor with an incremental encoder is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. Motor power and brake to CMMT-ST-X6 port via motor cable. If stepper motor is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. If EC motor is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. Note: use the metal clamp to connect the motor cable shield to the drive shield plate as shown in the right-hand side picture. Proximity switch to CMMT-ST-X1C connector. Power supply to CMMT-ST-X9 connector via cables. External braking resistor to CMMT-ST-X9 connector via cables. Note: use this connection only when an external braking resistor is used. Earth to CMMT-ST via earth cable. Higher order controller to CMMT-ST-XF1 and port via Ethernet cable. CMMT-ST-XF2 out port to further slave via Ethernet cable. Note: use this connection only when further slaves are integrated into the field bus network. The field bus can be set either using the DIL switch or during the parameterization of the drive using the Festo automation suite. Now the hardware is connected.